Hello everyone. आज पॉलिटी क्लास 2 स्टार्ट कराटा फंडामेंटल राइट्स पढ़ी आर्टिकल नंबर 15 जाए पढ़ी नेक्स्ट टाइम देखा आर्टिकल नंबर 16 करो equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. There shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matter relating to citizens in matter relating to employment or appointment to any office under the state. It does not prevent the state from prescribing the necessary qualifications and selective test for requirement for government services. Then there may be good reason for reserving certain posts in a state for other residents only, and there may be good reason for reservation of post thibo state for residents only. Reservation मध्ये रही equal opportunity दिया equal opportunity to public employment, prevent the state from prescribing necessary qualification and selective test. It is also empower the state to make special provision for the reservation of appointment or post in favor of any backward class of citizen which is the opinion of a state and not adequately represented in the service under the state. The social provision for reservation of appointment in favor of any backward class favor backward class favor which is in opinion of state and not adequately represented in the service under the state. बुझेला. Then it also provide for the reservation of seat in promotion for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Provide करছে reservation scheduled caste SC और ST ପାଇଁ reservation जोटा कि रहला आर्टिकल नंबर 16. Notes कौन देखे रखा. Notes in 1979 the Morarji Desai government appointed the second backward class SC caste to belong करते second backward classes commission under the chairmanship of BP Mandal, a member of parliament, in terms of article 340 of the constitution to investigate the condition of socially and educationally backward classes and suggest measures for their advancement. The Mandal hello. Writing okay. और ठीक ठाक सब. The commission Mandal Commission submitted its report in 1980 and it identified as many as backward classes, as many as 3743 caste as socially and educationally backward classes. They constitute nearly 52% component of the population, excluding the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. को एक्सक्लूड करके SC ST को एक्सक्लूड करके कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में थे 52% component of population. The commission recommended for the reservation of 27% government job for the other backward classes. माने OBC माना पे 27% reservation थिला, so that the total reservation for all SC ST and OBC amount है ये थिला 50%. Then it was after 10 years, 1990, that the VP Singh government declared reservation of 27% government job for the OBC. VP Singh. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. This right is available against private individual. এটা abolition of untouchability जोटा article number 17 ତାদের ଦେଇଛି କି untouchability abolished ହେଇଥିଲା ସେମିତି କିଛି ଛୁଆଁ ଭେଦଭାବ ରହିବନି its practice in any form is forbidden ତାକୁ this right is available against private individual प्रति individual ପାଇଁ ଏଟା ଲାଗୁ ହେବ Article number 18, abolition of title. No title not being a military or academic distinction shall be conferred by the state. Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri and other state awards are not regarded as title in terms of Article number 18(1) of the Constitution. Clause 2, prohibit a citizen of India from accepting any title from a foreign state. Prohibit करो clause 2 टा माने citizen of India from accepting any title of foreign state. Then clause number 3 अच्छी तार गोटे जोटा कि provide a foreigner holding any office, profit or trust under the state can accept any title from any foreign state without the consent of the president. Without consent से अन्य कौन सी foreign title profit or trust under state को accept कर परिवे नहीं title. This is to ensure loyalty to the government he serves for the time being to sort out all foreign influence in government affair. Clause 4 is provide that no person holding any office of profit under the state is to accept without the consent of the president any present emolument or office of any kind from or under any foreign state. It is to be noted that there is no penalty prescribing for the infringement of above prohibition. Article number 18 is merely directory. It is however open to the parliament to make a law for dealing with such a person who accepts title in violation of prohibition prescribed in Article 18. It is however open to the parliament to make a law for dealing with such a person who accepts the title in violation of prohibition prescribed number Article 18. Next is the right to freedom in Article number 19. Protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech. Freedom of speech ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଅଧିକାର ରହିବ ଏଠି guarantee the citizen of India the following 6 fundamental freedom ଦିଆଯିବ freedom of speech and expression, freedom to assemble peacefully and without arms, freedom to form association or union or cooperative society, freedom of movement throughout the territory of India, freedom of residence and settlement society, freedom of movement throughout the territory of India, freedom of residence and settlement in any part of the territory of India, freedom of profession, occupation, trade or business. तापर आसो freedom of press. The Indian Constitution does not provide for the freedom of press separately. जो space freedom of press ପାଇଁ का ଗୋଟେ separate freedom दिया जाएनी Indian Constitution रे. It is implicit in Article 19 रे ही जो freedom टा अछि से freedom रे এটা include. The restrictions that limit the freedom in case of individual apply to the press also. Originally, Article 19 contains 7 rights, but the right to acquire, hold and dispose property was deleted by the 44th Amendment Act of 1978. Code Article 19 certain 7 rights thila, ebe achi 6 rights. Article 19 रे The right to acquire, hold and dispose of a property was deleted. এটা delete ହେଇଯାଇଛି जो propertyଟା ସେଟା article number 19 ରେ ଥିଲା right to property जोटा ଏପଟେ ବି ଦେଇଥିଲା ଏଠି right to property जोटा article number 31 ଟା delete ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଏଟା ରହିଛି କୋଉଟା article 300A ରେ ରହିଛି जोटा कि legal rights ହେଇଯାଇଛି not fundamental rights that including legal rights. Okay. Then जो freedom of press कला तापर एटा वाला 44 amendment act 1978 there these six rights protect against any only state action or not private individual. Moreover, these rights are available only to the citizen, to shareholder of a company, but not to foreigner or legal persons like companies or corporations, etc. Article number 20, that is protection in respect of conviction for offence. No person shall be convicted of any offence except for violation of the law in force at the time of commission of the act, charged as an offence, nor be subjected to a penalty greater than that which may have been inflicted under the law in force at the time of commission of the offence. Thus, the legislature is prohibited to make criminal laws having a retrospective effect. बुझेगा कि एटा कौन देजी ना प्रोटेक्शन इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ कन्विक्शन फॉर ऑफेंसेस कन्विक्शन माने नो पर्सन शैल बी कन्विक्टेड ऑफ एनी ऑफेंस एक्सेप्ट वायोलेशन ऑफ लॉ माने कौन सी पर्सन को बाहर करा है पारिबनी एनी ऑफेंस रे केवल से जदी लॉ मानुनी लॉ रो वायोलेशन करछि देन enforce at the time of commission of act charged as an offence. No person shall be prosecuted and punished for same offence more than once. गोटे भूल पेंका गोटे अपराध पेंका से दिथर बा अधिक थर पनिश हो पारिबा नहीं. नो डबल जेओपार्डी एटा कहै नो डबल जेओपार्डी. नो person accused of any offence shall be compelled to be a witness against himself under the frame of criminal jurisprudence. A person is presumed to be innocent, and it is for the prosecution to establish his guilt. Again, a person accused of an offence need not make any statement against his will. Protection, then article number 21, protection of life and personal liberty. No person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by the law. Personal freedom is secured by the Constitution, by the judicial right of habeas corpus. Article number 32 and 26 जो habeas corpus रही. Personal freedom is secured by the Constitution, by the judicial writ. The 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002 has inserted in the Constitution a new Article 21A. It states that the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years in such manner as the state may by law determine. Further, in Menaka case 1978, the Supreme Court declared the following right of the part article number 21 भितर एतक राइट्स रही एतक राइट्स रही 21 आर्टिकल अंडर रे. नेक्स्ट देखा 9-judge bench. A 9-judge bench of the Supreme Court headed by the then Chief Justice J.S. Kelkar. Okay, I think that was